Hi family, how are you all doing? I honestly hope that every single one of you is doing great and is presently in a good place. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you guys how I made the swoop bang on my starter locks. To do this, you need a spray bottle and a bobby pin to help hold your hair in place. You also need a few hair accessory, and if you don't have any hair accessory, you can skip this part while styling your hair. I'll be using a few pieces of cowries because you guys know how I love cowries and beads to style mine. If you have starter locks, this is the fastest style you can do and go about your day. And as always, thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Love ya!